Damn, it's finally here, man. You don't even know how long I've been waiting for this package to come. I think it's been what, 2 weeks now? And finally it's here. Supercharger oil. If anybody wants the number, here it is. Yeah, like I've said before, I've had this car since July of 2020. The most I've done to this car so far is just pretty much what you guys seen in these videos. Usually with the supercharger oil, you tend to wanna, since you're already in there, you tend to wanna just change also the, what I think it's the coupler, supercharger couplers, it's something that vibrates or something. Mine doesn't make any noise, and I don't hear any rattle coming from it, so I'm guessing it's good. It still has some life left in it. I'm gonna still change the oil, cause why not just prolong the life of the supercharger? I've been kind of a little bit hesitant to step on the gas as much as possible, just because I know that I personally have not checked the oil in the supercharger. I've done the coolant flush and oil change. This does not seem that hard. I got a little syringe with an extender that can actually insert into the supercharger and just suck out the old oil. And then using this, I'll just refill it in with just measure how much I took out and just refill to that amount. My expectations pretty much about this is just that at this moment it's just pretty much maintenance. I don't really expect to get any extra horsepower. I just expect to get some more longevity. I want my car to last longer, pretty much. So hopefully this would just bring me one step closer. Today, so we're just messing around with the supercharger oil today. That's gonna be in this side. So far from what I've been watching videos on this, is that I unplug this connector or connection, whatever. Then I take an Allen 5mm and just take this little bolt off. It seems pretty easy. Let's see how idiot-proof this is. All these videos that I've seen so far, they made it seem pretty easy, but I don't know. We won't know until we try. This is nerving. I couldn't find an Allen, so this is what I'm using right now. And again, these big old paws coming to get in the way again, but luckily I was able to take it out. So it appears I was able to take it out with a 316. This bottle, I'm gonna be dumping the oil into. So let's see, I'm gonna stick this as much as it goes in. Well, that appears to be it. Hey, wait. Well, no big is what? There's no oil? I'm gonna try to stick the tube in first then. And it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And look at that, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ay, mi pendejo. Yo, I almost lost this tube in there. Push it a little bit more further in. This lady's just literally been sitting there for like the last 5 minutes, just in front of my front yard. I don't know if it's my neighbor or something, but that's creepy. Alright, it's cool. It's seated in all the way. Finally, they're off. Shit, that took forever. Peace and quiet now. I hope that was not a HOA or anything. So it looks like it's done here. Look at all that nastiness. Nasty fluid. Nasty, nasty. It's not even, it's dark. I'm about 99% sure this has never been changed ever since brand new. It's a good thing that I caught it. I'll probably end up doing another oil change on the supercharger later if I ever do decide to change the coupler or whatever that's called. I don't know the terminology. I'm glad I was able to see at least that oil was nasty. Now to put the brand new oil. She thick. Mission accomplished. Yeah. She squealed like a pig. Bottle number 2. So I'm just letting it drip itself out into into little rag here. Now, it wasn't really all that hard. Just like anything else, it's just pretty cramped in there. So I'm just waiting for it to drain out. So that way I know that the supercharger oil is level. But at least I'm glad I was able to change it today, because that old oil, I don't even know if it was ever even changed, but I'm glad to change it because the new oils were all clear. Pretty much it's transparent, but in the old one, but I'm glad. I hope I don't lose this little Allen head. Nothing else to cover this with. Tighten this with. Alright. Yeah. I'm not gonna over tighten it just because it is aluminum, I think. 2. Let's start up. Click. That's always a good thing. Done. Nothing left to do. Just regular, pretty much just turn it on and see what happens. pretty much looks like everything is done now. Just I'm just waiting for it to just warm up, and I'm gonna go drive it for a little bit right now. Everything seems pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, there's no way for me to tell if I did a good job until later. Fingers crossed that nothing happens bad, but yeah, just gonna go drive it around. So that pretty much does it for today's video. I know it might have been just a little shortened version, just half-ass video maybe. So I think that's the end of this video. That's pretty much all I needed to do just for today. I am planning to maybe swap out the brakes and just maybe re-grease the guide pins, and probably be thinking of doing a video on that. But I need money first, so I'll go work some more and I'll get some more, and then I'll buy the parts and I'll just make more videos. But yeah, see you guys. Hopefully you guys come back next time. I got more videos. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.